Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about AI and people jumping on the bandwagon and trying to sell shit, basically, on how to use AI to create products just to sell, just to make money. Don't get me wrong, I love AI. I think it's the best, absolutely fantastic medium. I think it's a wonderful, wonderful tool that we should all be using, and definitely in the creator space. I don't think we can do without it nowadays. But what I'm seeing so often, it drives me mad, is the people who, how to get rich, if you like, of creating products that are no good to you, no good to anyone, and just using AI to create products just to sell, just to make money. I'll explain exactly what I mean in a minute if I'm making myself clear. But ultimately, I think AI is breeding a shed loads of people conning you into starting a business or starting a channel or a program to try and sell stuff. And it's not giving you any real value. It doesn't really add value. What I mean by this is basically, if you want to make money, or you want to start a business, or you want to, I don't know, you've got to decide what you want to offer your customer. Do you want to give value to your customer? If you want a short-term hit and just make money with something quick, yeah, okay, you might be able to fall for these ridiculous programs, and people, find out an Instagram post that's got hundreds of thousands of views, then use AI to create an ebook, and then sell it for $25. What are you giving to your customer for doing that? You're giving them an artificially generated product that's probably not accurate anyway, but you're not giving them any value, and that way you're not going to build an audience. You're not going to build customers and repeat customers and customers to who really want to do business with you in your future. And it's short-termism and people just jumping on the bandwagon, and I just find it so annoying. It's the same in all walks of the make money industry. People selling something, how to make money quickly, they lie or whatever, then just say, I made money doing this, so they can sell money, how to make money doing this, without giving any care or thought to you, the customer. The real success stories are the people who teach you how to, in business, teach you how to build a business and how to nurture customers to buy and keep buying. And you do that by offering value and services and things, so people realise that you're real and you can genuinely help them. If you can genuinely help people, people will happily buy from you. I know this from, I've been a copywriter for the last 15 years, predominantly in the make money niche, and I've seen it all, what works, what doesn't, what's real, what's a scam. And we've sold loads and loads of programs, and I've been writing copy for one of the most successful direct response marketers here in the UK, and we've sold literally over £20 million worth of products. And on the whole, the products always offer a benefit to the customer, and as long as they follow the program, they will make money. We've never ever offered a program just that talks about making money so you can make money, or selling how to make money so you can make money. It's just dishonest, really, and I find that really frustrating, and I'm seeing it with the AI world now, and it's, I don't know, it's really bugging me lately. AI is fantastic. If you've got a skill or you offer a service, or you've got something that you really are genuinely interested in, and you want to promote a business with it, but absolutely, then use AI. ChatGPT is fantastic for getting ideas, for research, for putting structures together of products and everything like that. But do it with your own personality, if you like, your own skills attached to it, not just some generic rubbish that's put out there to sell. It's not building longevity. It's not building a product. It's not building an audience. And if you buy this stuff, you're not going to get any benefit from it. It's purely benefiting the person who's selling the course of the program. They're not giving you value. They're not teaching you a skill. They're teaching you a skill how to con other people. There is that skill, but do you really want to have a business like that? In my view, the way to build longevity and build trust, and people buy from people they trust, and people buy again and again from people they trust. And I've said this in one of my other videos or when I write sales copy, I always say the strange thing about us humans is that, strange enough, we don't mind being sold to when it's by people we trust. We're usually quite happy to buy from people we trust. And even though we know we're being sold to, as long as we trust the people selling the stuff, we're quite happy to buy it. And I think that's the way it should be going. And you can use AI 100%. It's absolutely brilliant if you use AI in the right way. But to create a false business, I just don't think it's helping you. It's not helping the customer. It's not helping, ultimately it's not helping the vendor, the people who are selling it, because they might earn a few bob, make a few quid, a big hit, but they're not really building anything long term. I see a lot of young people do this, unfortunately, which is a shame because they're not building a long term business. They do it on TikTok, Instagram, and look, I made 20 grand and whatever. And wonderful. But then they're not selling. They're not helping you, their customer. They're selling. They're doing it for them. And as I said, I just can't see that's a recipe for long-term success. You look at all successful business, proper successful businesses. They value the long-term customer, the long-term benefit of a customer. From early free offers or cheap offers to higher ticket offers and more expensive programs. It's the long-term benefits or long-term value of a customer that's important. And these people just selling AI-generated rubbish just to sell is just, or sell the how-to. I just think if you get involved in that, it's a big mistake. Anyway, I just thought I'd put this out there. That's my rant for today on AI. Hope it makes sense. If you've got any questions or any comment, if you disagree, of course, by all means, put comment below. But this is my view on it. And I think if you're looking to build an audience or create a business or make some sales in whatever, I think it will be much, much more, you can generate much more credibility and trust if you use AI to enhance what you can offer to the world. And make no mistake, you will be able to offer something to it. Everyone can. We've all got skills, abilities, problems we've solved and problems we've dealt with and things that we can offer to the world. And yes, use AI to help enhance it and help you build a product offering that to the world. But please don't just use artificially generated crap to offer to the world, because that's not helping anyone. It's making a few people earn a few bob out of it. Some people probably quite a lot of money out of it. And who's the winner? They are, not you. You're not getting benefit. So yeah, think about what I'm saying. Use AI as I said, if you use it to generate outlines, to generate ideas from your own expertise or your own skills, that's absolutely brilliant. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love AI. I think it's a fantastic tool, but used correctly. Anyway, enough of that for now. I'll see you on the next one.